learn I Still Fall For You. It's choreographed by Darren Bailey. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn on and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do 4 walls of the dance so that you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn I Still Fall For You. Section 1, your weight is going to start on your left foot. You're going to take your right heel, tap it forward, step your right next to your left. Take your left heel, tap it forward, step your left next to your right. Point your right toe to the right side, step your right next to your left. Point your left toe to the left side, step your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. Heels forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do diagonal lock steps with our right and our left. So we're going to step our right foot forward but slightly into the diagonal. Bring your left foot in and behind your right. Step your right foot forward slightly into the diagonal and brush your left foot on the floor. We're now going to step our left foot slightly into the left diagonal. Bring your right foot in and behind your left. Step your left foot forward into the diagonal, and we're going to brush our right foot on the floor. And as you brush, you want it to slightly go towards the left because it's going to put you into your toe strut jazz box that happens for the next section. So let's try that with some counts. Step lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a toe strut jazz box with a cross. We're going to take our right toe, touch it across your left. Drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot. Now take your left toe, touch it back. Drop your left heel, taking weight onto your left foot. Touch your right toe to the right side. Drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot. Take your left toe, cross it over your right. Drop your left heel, taking weight onto that left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just brushed. You're doing your toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do back touches and a quarter turn. So we're going to step back with our right and touch our left next to our right. And as we do that, we're going to clap our hands. We're now going to step back with our left, touch our right and clap our hands. Step back with your right, touch your left and clap your hands. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the side. You're now at 9 o'clock, and we're going to touch and clap. And that ends the dance. So let's try it with some counts. Back touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you would be ready to start the dance all over again with your heel. So now we're going to go do the front wall all the way through, one time with steps and one time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our heel. Right heel, step, left heel, step, right point, step, left point, step, right step, lock, step, brush, left step, lock, step, brush, toe strut, over, back, side, cross, back, touch, back, touch, quarter, turn, touch, and clap. And you're ready to start all over again. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot. We're doing our heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to do the next wall. So now we're going to go all the way around. We're going to alternate between steps and counts. So on the front and back walls, we're going to do steps. Side walls, we'll do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your heels. Right heel, step, right point, step, left point, step, lock, step, brush, brush, toe strut, jazz box, over. Back, side, cross, back touch, turn and touch. Now heel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heels, step, point, step, lock, step, brush, lock, step, brush, toe strut, jazz box, over. Back, side, cross, back touch, turn and touch. Now your heels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dance. You have no tags or restarts to worry about, so you can just dance the whole thing all the way through. I hope this helps you learn I Still Fall for You. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.